Ilya, DMG MORI are known for their premium machines, milling, turning. You've got a robot arm solution as well. But next in line, the LaserTec 30 SLM. What is it?
Yeah, it's a selective laser melting machine that work with the different kinds of metal. It have a size 30 centimeters and 30 centimeters box. And because it's used the inert gas, you can print really different types of metal.
Okay, you say different types of metal. What sort of metal? Sort of aluminium, steels, Inconels?
Yes, all these metals and also the different combinations of this. And the key feature of this machine is that it have a replug model. So machines can combine from two parts. And if you need to change the metal, into ours you can switch the replug mode and choose another metal.
So basically just change, like on a, on an ink cartridge machine, just change a cartridge and it's as simple as that?
Yes, exactly. It's like a change in the cartridge. And before it wasn't used on this machine. Before you can use only one machine for one type of metal. And now you can buy one machine and use different kinds of metal. It's a really very interesting for the industry.
What sort of industries will use this?
Yeah, different kind of industries, depends which dimensions is suitable for this machine. So it can be aerospace, automotive. I know for sure automotive use these machines already. And different other industries that are interested in these technologies.
So no restriction really, in terms of industries?
Yes.
Okay. So that's it, the next step from DMG MORI.